When you rent or buy a video, you need to know that the film you choose is suitable for the audience at home. To help you understand what the film is like, you can look at the certificate it has been given. This film has been classified U. That means it can be seen by people of all ages, and there will be nothing unsuitable for children. Video certificates are there to give you the chance to make the right choice. Thanks for listening.
People say it's quite a way to heaven, many miles beyond a distant star. Now I know that all dogs go to heaven, but until we chase our dreams that far, we will find a little heaven everywhere around us. Find a little heaven everywhere we are. This might not be paradise, but boy, it sure is fun. And we're not perfect angels, why pretend? Through funny times and sad ones, lucky breaks and bad ones, we always come out smiling in the end. We find a little heaven everywhere around us. Find a little heaven, you and I, my friend.
You know, Witch, these are the kind of days that make me glad to be a dog.
Ooh. Speak for yourself. I'm infested again.
Ooh la la. Look, Itch, it's Fifi.